Morning class, we were doing chapter number 20 mensuration. Now one more formula I would like to introduce, that is of area of the parallelogram. Now this is your parallelogram, children, in which opposite sides are parallel to each other. So the area is base into height. Okay, now let's do question number 10, children, based upon it. The base of a parallelogram is thrice its height. Base is given, but what? Thrice its height. If area is 768 centimeter square, find the base and height of the parallelogram. Now this is your parallelogram, children. Okay, this is your, in which opposite sides are parallel to each other. The base is thrice of the height. Base is thrice of the height, and the formula says area is equal to base into height. So area is 768, base is thrice of height, and height is height. Now 768 is equal to 3h square. H into h square. This 3 will go down in the denominator. You will get 256, and then this square will turn to square root on the next hand side. So it will give you 16. Now h is equal to 16. So base is equal to 3h. 3 into 16, that is 48 centimeter. Now children, next question, question number 17. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 18 and area is 270 centimeter square. Triangle we are talking about. Fine. Base is given, area is given, height he is asking. Area is equal to half base into height. So area is 270, base is 18, and height he is asking. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 9h will left. This 9 again will go down, so 30 answer it will give it. I hope this question is clear, class. Now let's do question number 19. Find the area of a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 13 centimeter long and one of its legs is 12 centimeter long. Now children, he is telling you there's a triangle. I have drawn a rough figure for you, ABC. Right angled, he said, na? So one angle is 90 degree right angled, and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter long, and one of the legs is 12. So I have taken this one. You can take this also. Any of them you can take. Now, so we want to find the area. So we need this side. If this is the base and this is your perpendicular, the straight line, so this is your height of the triangle. Okay, so to find this height, we'll apply the Pythagoras. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So 13 square, AB square plus 12 square. Now this 144 will go this side, so minus 144. 169 minus 144, 25. AB is equal to under root 25, and 5 5 is 25, so 5 will come out. Now area is equal to half base into height. Now base we have got 12, and height just now we have find out, that is 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 6 5s are 30 centimeter square. Is it clear to you? Children, first we applied Pythagoras to find this side, and then we applied the area of formula. So they will take some steps to do these questions now. Okay, now let's do question number 25. The area of an equilateral triangle. Now please read the questions carefully. Now he is not just talking about triangle, equilateral triangle. Area is given. Find the length of each side of the triangle, and you have to find the length of each side. So area is given. You also know the formula of equilateral triangles area. That is root 3 by 4 a square. A is the side over here, children. Equilateral triangle, remember, all the sides are equal, and the formula is this. Now a square, this 4 will go that side, and this root 3 will come down. Now root 3 will cancel root 3. Now 64 into 4. Okay, a is equal to under root 64 into 4. 64 you can write 8 into 8, and 4 you can write 2 into 2, and the pair will formed and they will come out. So the answer is, the side is 16 centimeters. Now let's do question number 26. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 15:13:14. This time ratio of the sides are given and its parameter is 168 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. You have to find the area. Ratio is given 15:13:14. Parameter is given. Now children, sum of the ratio 15 plus 13 plus 14. This time I am doing by different method. In the one of the questions, now children, we have taken let the length and breadth be 5x and 3x. But this time different method. Any of them you can learn and apply. So 15 plus 13 plus 14. Now first side will be side A. I have just taken randomly. I just need the three sides. Okay. So 15 by 42 into 168, 60. Then second side B, 13 upon 42 into 168. And last side C, 14 upon 42 into 168. Now I want all of you to find it out yourselves. Calculate them yourself, children. Now apply the Heron's formula. First find the semi-parameter. A plus B plus C by 2 found. Then apply the formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 84, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You got this. And now break them. 12 sevens are, 12 twos are, 8 fours are, 14 twos are. And again the pairs formed, take them out. And rest of them are inside. Again break them up. 4 twos are, 2 twos are, 7 twos are. And then again form the pairs and take them out. The answer is 1344 centimeter square. Now let's do question number 27. The diameter of a circle is 20 centimeter. Diameter is given and pi 3.14. Find its circumference and its area. So circle now we have reached. Diameter is given, so we can find the radius d by 2. That is 20 upon 2, 10 centimeter. Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into, now this time he has told us to take 3.14 pi. Otherwise, if it is not given, you will take 22 upon 7 into 10. Now, multiply them, you will get the answer. Area is pi r square. So, pi is 3.14 and r is 10. So, 10 square. Multiply it, answer. Now, last question, we will do question number 30, children. The ratio between the areas of two circles. Ratio between the areas is 16:9. Find the ratio between the radii, diameters and circumferences. Two circles are there. In their areas ratio is given 16:9. Now children, what is the formula of area? Pi r square. But two radius is there. Two radii are there. So r1, r2 I have taken. So pi r1 square upon pi r2 square. Pi cancel pi. R1 square upon r2 square. Now this r1 upon r2 whole square is exponents, remember, 16 upon 9. Okay. Now this square will go that side. It will turn to root. 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9. So r1 upon r2 is 3. Now he asks for diameter ratio. So diameter 1 upon diameter 2. What is diameter, children? Twice of radius. So twice of r1 upon twice of r2. 2 cancels 2. R1 upon r2. 4 is to 3. And last, circumference. So 2 pi r1 upon 2 pi r2. 2 pi cancels 2 pi. R1 upon r2. 4 is to 3. Now we finished with our exercise, children. Please complete all the questions of this exercise. Have a nice day.